Atiefo me mamuni akwaba eba Melodies TV so na some comment from a year some former government officials no yet sana I was say yedeba na ye expose the mentality of those people to you Ghanaians yentan you be a yentan any political party what asem na hu ne say ana yen ye hu ne say sorry okay what asem na yen ye hu ne say asem a waka no ento asum ana ede basabasayo ebetumi de basabasayo abagana e was say ye expose your mentality na Ghana for etwe wo ho efiri ho se mo baka last week me the story be bremo Ghana former UK ambassador na say first no embra na NDC e was no wo call UK a ono enana wo represent Ghanaian president obetumi aka say wo Ghana president e wo UK. Leading the man of Victor Smith, me mamoti asiye se wo yobi ana wo former regional minister na was also I think JJ Rawlings ni spokesperson. If not the I stand to be corrected, but if not the spokesperson, I know we're very close to JJ Rawlings and so yobi a NDC no odimo tintimai. But then send me about to Jana Obekaya last week me mamoti asiye se wo be allege say MPP for a recruitee nkrofo political vigilantes ayomo adwen say womo de omo ebe rege election no na ende wodi bi aka ho wono de was still baby a wogina na wogina still wogidi say NDC for MPP for recruitee vigilantes na womo de omo arege election no na Ghana politics no very interesting. Kennedy Japan ebetena TV so a na radio so no waka say NDC for emum na recruiting crofo a wo have a plan say wo be say elections no more wiemu. Victor Smith nso kwatena radio so no waka say MPP for na recruiting crofo na tese wo arege election. So these two people just who should we believe? Anyway, my main concern what they two just so asema what they aba and say was one no put the asema hamaka boot for boot. Was it boot for boot ama hamaka no Victor Smith ni there dabi. Enye boot for boot na plan pa wo mo NDC for afa and they say ebeye fire for fire not to say boot for boot na iso fire for fire na eso wo hwe wo bia with the position kese say no other nation than UK na wo ye high commissioner e wo ho osanso na wo ye regional minister emre bi etwemu wo hwe obi ebetumi describe no as statesman na statesman because of politics. What can be say now? We want to say yes. The mentality of some people in this country, some people we call leaders in this country, now in some of the two, Jan, I'm reading Tremo. Now, men pass NDC ni bia baba frame. And ya wo the other na what time NDC sa, other na what time NDC sa, Mesremo. Se meka MPP dia, eya mote, munso NDC e ba mo so a. I was say meka inti meka asem ni de body to jano me transcript no wa say na me read actually na munia mu ehu de na wo kan wo say ono akasa na ni mu nsem so I quote him. In fact, they are recruiting. I am stating on record that they are still recruiting people without advertising. In the last year alone, they have recruited about 1,500 prison officers. It was never advertised. It was people who come from their constituencies and branches. MPP people who are being recruited. He told ABC News. Asema wani ABC News for air canon say MPP for recruitment into the security agencies are adwimpo a etechi and they say one person one do omo erege elections no. Na sa recruitment into the security agencies no mostly no what you have to do say obe advertise it na Ghana ni bia na ni je ho say wo beba no wa ba beto forms na wakwa akoka ho. You and I know wo bia wa apply for sa security forms bia nim say politicians na hijack sa de no and then o pese ura police ura soldier ura fire service prison service immigration na wo nya wo bia winning connections our ruling party more. It's not only with MPP, NDC crab one more time. Now who nim obia Would demote into my ruling party more. I tell you for a fact, your position no. And the Ghana, ukora amimu, na wuni mobia, ose wudi weni kan, just a few, maybe just 1%. Because final list no, ebeko Flagstaff House abano, ubon say, Oma sesadi no de omonkro for ashishishishem. That's what happens in this country. Na me mamoti as a last, me mamo story be, of how a friend of mine wonunya recommendation for a soldier phone pinning for hokra wonu so nipakura wonya recommendation free ni hono na what na the final board track list a buy madam for ni din wom e call Flagstaff House buy ni asese din ni na. And I know I have a proof to that, but enye no ho asem ene ka, that's for another day. Inti ade a wo kan ene say way, but this is what I don't understand. Okay, so MPP for a recruiting security agencies like senior or can say prison officers. Na womo body na we all you and I know say eba abatwa and the security agencies ni na and at say womo ye effective. Eba abatwa immigration for womo nyehwe because that is not their mandate. Abatwa there a police Akwechia military. Immigration for Emba. Prison officers won't fit prison ho. Emba got the ballot box. It is a walk say MPP for secretly. One more recruiting prison officers are. How are you linking this to rigging elections? That is what I don't understand. It could be true, said the walk and say MPP for one more recruiting Crawford, it could be true. But as far as I know, and for a fact, I have witnessed, make I say, many fear, my witness about 3 elections in the country, and I 4 cry, many fear about 4 elections in the country. Now, nini nemuno, me who prison officer be say me ba be protected ballot box, and I me ba be a year to abano wo. It is a walk in same be say ya. I don't see the connection. Anyway, let's continue with what he said. Or see, they go to the Boston Institute and they have done medical checks. They have given letters appointing them as staff of the prisons of Ghana. And they are doing the same thing for the military and for the police. My concern is that the intention is to use these ones to police the elections instead of the regular professional men and women of the Ghana Armed Forces and the police. They work can and say MPP for dream mo poa wo mo wo and they say wo mo be use sa prison officers here wo mo recruiting without informing the public no wo be use wo mo to guard the ballot box because wo mo person wo mo wia abanim na asemu o say when President Mahama hasn't no ka asem no I say when President Mahama said boot for boot, I am mentioning fire for fire. Those guys misbehave. We will. I say if those guys misbehave, we will face them on election day. Let the worst happen because we cannot allow one party to design some communist inferior tactics to hold on to power, whether the people like it or not. I say now we a Bible mu and a textbook na me read ya. Nanka the me underline let the worst happen. One no Emmanuel Victor Smith a worker said let the worst happen no. It's here for said the worst send the worker and they say what percent or kwesi the way any fan say or say let the worst happen. You fan say the worst are able to happen ntokwa. I can give you 100% assurance. Say Santokwa this year or no crano he will not be around. Santokwa this year Nemba they will not be around. Santo Kwanisia, Neyere, they will not be around. But when would the worker ask Womo interview no in some wakan? Was say let the worst happen. ABC News interview no Sansem no kan. Was say I am saying fire for fire. Let the worst happen. Comments like this from someone who is supposed to be a statesman. And it's here for oh dear Ebiana the me person me can na akwa say me dinner them But in Sema what they are to no. So you are all seeing his thinking. Now you know his thinking, his way of thinking. Adwenya e woni trim. I say so they should listen and listen well. You bring chaos into Ghana, the professionals will take over the country, and that's their business. You kick me, I kick you. You fire me, I fire you. That's what I mean. So don't misbehave. Now, I say if you bring chaos into Ghana, the professionals will take over the country. But so I say, basa basa yo a. When him say asema work and the work, I say tia wono ankasa ne party NDC. O say basa basa yo a NDC for na professionals no. It is MPP for the basa basa yo ba. Wo mo a wo mo professionals no, they will take over the country. No more MPP for say fire for fire. We say. And anyway, I'm going to comment box for me.